Hey Coastline team, it's Kim. I just wanted to make a short video to show you how to download a Google document as a PDF, and then you can upload these PDFs into Practice Perfect. So here is a Google Doc. You just go to File, go to Download As. If you have Microsoft Word, then you can download this as a Word document, or you could download it as a PDF without the word Microsoft Word. So we've downloaded the PDF and it comes up here. And then you can upload this document in Practice Perfect. So go into Practice Perfect, pick a patient, and wherever you're uploading this document, I just went to his documents. I'm going to click on New Document. I'm going to import the document and list all of your information. And you can see that document that I just downloaded right here. So there's the PDF. So you can see this emblem here denotes a PDF and the W denotes a Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. Thanks.